Good morning, guys. So today is a good day. Sprout, what are you doing?
Today's a great day.
We are getting ready for my 1 million photo shoot, and we're doing it pretty early because I want to be prepared. I'm on nearly
For
9.
all of you who don't know what that means, 1 million Instagram followers, because you need to clarify that. 1 million followers.
Yes.
Could be on anything.
And I'm hoping obviously I'll hit like 100,000 subscribers on YouTube kind of at the same time, so it's like a double celebration. But I'm on like 913,000 at the moment, so I'm getting prepared. And Sprout is the photographer for today. I've hired out like a little studio place, and we're going for like the pink theme, pink queen theme type thing. So I'm going to leave these in, and I'm going to have to drive and meet the people like this, so I'm going to look gorgeous.
No, it's not my time to shine yet.
So yeah, I'm going to take you guys with us. I don't know how much I'll be able to talk and stuff because I've literally only got 2 hours to do everything in. So like you'll see us all setting up, Sprout taking pictures, like behind the scenes and stuff. So yes. So
everyone will know what I have to deal with on a daily basis.
It ain't that bad. I don't think I'm that bad, but we work well together, so that's why I've got Sprout to do the photos, because I don't want anyone else taking pictures of me. Sprout knows me angles and me poses. So yeah, we'll see you guys when we're there. Guys, we have made it, except for the fact that we're actually like further down the road waiting, because I didn't want to pull up onto the drive and be really early, because it's 40 past at the moment. So 5 minutes, I'm going to go down, pull up on their drive, because even if we can start earlier, like hopefully that'll be alright. Or I came early because in case she needs to take me for anything. We only had one disaster, which was the fact that I left my card at home, so I had to use Sprouts, and then I've transferred her the money. Sprout the Pro.
Is that big enough?
Yeah, hold on, do I need to tie it up for you? Bloody hot. It's good teamwork. You shouldn't have to be above here.
That's how tall it's going to be. I'm just going to get that.
We'll just do ones at different heights.
Yeah.
So we've just been, get this in. So we've just been for everything. The lady kindly set it all up for us. So I'm just going to give you a quick tour. So when you walk in, this is exactly what it looks like, basically. So you've got Sprout down here. You can get like your makeup and stuff done here. Then we've got like the pink background with all the lights. Okay, sorry, hold on. And then you've got like a little changing room. Oh, there's a nice big selfie mirror in here. And then you've got the nice toilet. So yeah. Right, we've got one little thing set up. Now we're doing the 1 milli. Guys, we have the M up, but we're gonna have a bit of a situation, I reckon, with the balloon staying in the right place. Sprouts onto the number 1. Well, we've got confetti, we've got the other things to come, so let's just see how it is, because we don't know how much will fit in the picture and that, so. Look, with great teamwork, guys, we've got them so even, it's unreal. Right, let's take them over.
Oh, you're taking them. Yay!
Yeah, God, don't pop any. I mean, they're coming out quite red, but hopefully with a flash. Ah, the effort I go to for a picture. I think the other ones are covering the M a bit. Fuck's sake. Don't ruin anything because I don't want to be charged. I don't think they look equal. Yeah. Okay. And you're moving all my balloons. Excellent. Where am I going to stand?
Oh my god, I'm so proud.
Guys, I finally got to take my rollers out, so now we're going to do the hair, get dressed, and then we're going to get going.
You are, yeah, yeah, you are one in a million, one in a million, one in a million of me.
I don't know where this goes. Out there? I actually feel ridiculous right now. Where do I stand though?
Do you want the 1 in a million more, like, separated? So that when you're in the middle, you can
I think it was better together though.
sit them, do sitting ones.
Well, I wanted to do some standing because it was how nice.
Do sitting first and you can stand.
Rip or ruin it.
It's scary, see?
I'm sweating it. It's not going too bad at the moment, guys. Right, I'm going to do some more of the ones I was doing at the start. Sit down, like,
Where do we stop? Yes.
So the miss the red button back.
Oh yeah. Bye-bye.
Oh, that is
Hasn't stopped. I think that's very flattering. Like a beach.
Outfit change.
Oh, my baby. Do I look pregnant? Do I look like I'm having a baby?
Yeah. Right, smile. I'm going to put baby sproutlet coming. Funny.
Oh, baby.
Go.
Hold on, I'm gonna get them.
That's quite good actually. Do you like maybe like some big? Do you maybe do big hand? This might not be in focus, but that's alright. But guys, my knees are hurting. I got like paper burn. We actually had a really good session. We had so much fun doing this. This is really fun. So when I get to 2 million, we'll be back here with a different colour and everything. So yeah. So we are literally just going to start cleaning up now. So the last time you saw me and Sprout, it was back in April. So I think I hit 900k around April. So I basically just wanted to get the 1 milli photo shoot done and dusted, because obviously you never know when you're going to hit it, and I didn't want to like leave it too late, so then I couldn't sort of do one. So we're literally in July now, so I hit 1 milli in June, so it was over a week ago now. So yeah, we're basically doing like late celebrations. So Sprout basically, as you would have seen, she got me like this really nice Instagram cake, she got me a card like in the Instagram format, and then she got me like obviously the little bag with 1 milli on, and like, do you know what I mean? It's like just like all the minor details that just like make everything. So yeah, so if you can hear noise, it's my fan, because like it's so hot here and I'm like sweating and my room's like really hot because the sun comes in the morning. So I just thought I'd show you guys what Sprout got me. So I've been after some Dirty Dancing socks, so she got me those, and it matches like this white hoodie that I've got, so you know, hurry up winter so I can wear them. Well, I can wear them now, but I mean with the hoodie. And then basically she got me all these socks just basically for the one pair, but they're all really cool anyway. So she got me the Coca-Cola ones.
When did you bring all this upstairs?
Not too long ago. She got me Cherry Coke ones. We're blocking my fan. Oh, Fanta ones. And Sprite. And then basically I want a top that's Dr. Pepper. And she got me like some socks that have got, well, Dr. Pepper on, because it's me fave.
Oh god, it's hot.
It is, that's what I'm saying, that's what I was telling them. And then she got me like some Primark thongs, because I have like 200 pairs. Oh, hold on. I didn't realise that weren't connected. And then basically I don't really sort of do much like out there makeup. I mean, I've got some eyeshadow palettes, but I like putting on glitter eyeliner. So she got me my glitter eyeliners that I got before that were running out. And then reminds me of
that film, isn't it?
Dude, Where's My Car?
Yeah, and then.
And then she got me a cute little personalised key ring that says Gus Gus, which you probably won't be able to see, for my car. And then she got me my personalised name necklace. Oh, can you see it? Can you see it? Probably not. It has fats on it, so now I can wear that. It's my nickname my dad gave me, and I really like it. And I didn't really want to wear like NLHFIT around, or I didn't really want Nicole either. I wanted something like a nickname, like Sprout's got.
I haven't put it on yet.
You traitor.
Oh, you found the earrings.
I told you. I was going, oh, these are so cute.
Oh.
I've got little Cheshire cat earrings in. Oh my god, look at all my skin. Anyways, yeah, so that's all the gifts she got me, and then like my card. And...
that's all she got me.
No, you know what I mean. I don't mean it like that. So I'm gonna treasure this bag forever. It's so cool.
Not too badly priced, you know. For...
It is. It's so cool, and it's pink.
They came under like, you know, like party gift bags. I'm not telling you where I got it from.
Well, I can just Google.
I guess you could. Yeah.
This would match my outfit.
Oh my gosh, yeah, it would.
But I don't feel like I can go around wearing them. Oh yeah, so guys, I haven't told you what we're doing. So basically, Sprout's taking me to Florida.
Oh yeah. Imagine.
No, so we're basically going to the O2 and we're going to get TGI Fridays, which I ended up having yesterday because Pizza was only accepting cash.
Do you remember when I was asking you what meals you would want to have? Like, where would you want to go for your meal? And you're like, my favourite is TGI's or Nando's, wasn't it?
I don't know, but yeah.
And so I thought, oh, well, as soon as you really want TGI's then, like, for your meal, I'll book that somewhere. That's why I did it.
Sneaky. So yeah, we're going to TGI's and then we're going bowling. I thought you couldn't do bowling because your nails. Oh my god, we're really whitewashed.
They're all, like, cut off, remember? I cut them down.
What, for bowling?
No, because they all kept breaking.
Yeah.
This is why I cut them down.
Sorry guys, I'm like really pale. That's what I'm saying, the sun comes in.
I need to clean my glasses.
So we're going to get ready and we're basically just going to leave. We've got to get the tube.
It won't be that bad. It's only a few stops, isn't it?
Yeah, so I'm going to try and vlog obviously as much as I can.
Is your battery charged?
Not really.
Oh.
No, but I've got a spare one, so.
Oh.
So yeah, we'll update you guys in a bit, I suppose. Bye, Felicia. are back home finally. So as you saw, Sprout won.
I won. I won.
Which is actually quite surprising.
Well, so we hope you enjoyed this video.
No!
And I hope you subscribe, thumbs up, never thumbs down. Ta-ta.
Okay, so I don't even need to do an outro because Sprout's done it on. So done it all. So we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.